Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the initial value problem x squared y prime plus 2xy is equal to ln x, and y of 1 is equal to 5. Now what I want to do first is I want to get it into the format that you see in red at the top of the page. It's going to be dy over dx, or y prime, plus p of x times y equals q of x. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide everything by x squared, so I can get the y prime by itself in the front of the equation. So once I divide by x squared, you're going to end up with y prime plus 2y over x equals x to the negative 2 power times ln x. Alright, so now that I have this in the format that I want it in, I can see that p of x is 2 over x, because in the format is y prime plus p of x times y. As you can see, it's 2y over x, which is the same thing as 2 over x times y. Therefore, p of x is 2 over x. And now that I have p of x, I can find I of x. And to find I of x, you use the formula located in red right underneath p of x. It says I of x is equal to e to the power of the integral of p of x dx. And so that would mean that I of x is equal to e to the power of the integral of 2 over x dx. Forgot to write a dx right there, but integral of 2 over x dx. And that is equal to x squared. So now that I have that, I'm just going to multiply both sides of the equation by I of x, which is x squared. And so once I do that, I'm going to have x squared y prime plus 2xy is equal to ln x. And upon looking at that, you can see that the left side of the equation looks a lot like the derivative of x squared y. It's just in the form of xy prime plus x prime y. So now that you know that, I just wrote it into terms of d over dx of x squared y is equal to ln x. And once you have it like that, you know that x squared y is equal to the integral of ln x dx. And then upon finding the integral of ln x dx, which I did integration by parts, as you can see on the right side of the page there, you come out to x ln x minus x plus c is equal to the integral of ln x dx. So I just factored out the x after that. So it just says x squared y is equal to x multiplied by the quantity of ln x minus 1. That's just x ln x minus x rewritten with x factored out, and then plus c on the end. So once I did that, I just want to get y by itself. So I divide both sides of the equation by x squared, and it's going to say y equals ln x minus 1 all over x plus c divided by x squared. And so now I have my equation. I just need to satisfy the initial value, and it said y of 1 is equal to 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set y equal to 5. So 5 is equal to ln, and then for x is going to be 1. So ln of 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus c divided by 1 squared, which is just 1. And so we know ln of 1 is 0, so it's just going to be 0 minus 1 over 1, which is negative 1. So 5 is equal to negative 1 plus c over 1 squared, which is just c. And so from that, you can see that c is equal to 6. So you just have to put that back into your original equation, and it's going to be y is equal to ln x minus 1 all over x plus 6 over x squared. Thank you.